Alright, let's see how this goes. It probably won't work very well. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Alright, so for an adjustable kind of knot, we're going to have our Sammy the Snake go around the anchor point, over the mountain, up through the cave. And we're going to do that 3 times. Over the mountain, up through the cave, over the mountain, up through the cave. And then we're going to see these little monkey toes. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 monkey toes. There's my 3 monkey toes. And then I'm going to go over the mountain twice. 1, 2. And on this last loop, I'm going to blow raspberries through with this little loop right here. No? Maybe? Am I just out of room? I can't tell with this thing on it if I missed it or not. Okay, yep. And then I can put this up on to adjust. Okay. Did you see any of it? I think we're done. All right. So that